What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm trellising my tomatoes. I'm doing the Florida weave method. Let's hop in the garden. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna drive my T-post somewhere in here, and I have to have around the bottom 6 to 8 inches open. So I need to remove that branch and that branch. So now when I come in with the string, it won't affect or grab onto any low-hanging limbs. And then before I get too crazy, this here is a sucker. You got the main stem. You have the sun branch that comes out at 90 degrees. 45 degrees is the sucker. If you need to get rid of them, just snip or pull them out. Well, here's something neat that I just learned today with the T-post. Do you see how long these two are? And then there's two short ones here. Well, the long ones are the ones that have the points, and the short ones are the ones that it's flat. So if you remember, as I was planting these out, I kind of planted them on an angle. So when I drive this T-post in, it should be away from their root ball. And then the ones on the outside, I'm actually going to angle out just a little bit. So the reason why I'm doing this angled out is as we string everything up, it's going to be pulling towards that center. So I'll hammer the rest in and bring you back. So I'm using like a butcher's twine to do this because it's cotton, and I was planning on compost and everything. A lot of people I watch are down in like Texas and California and Florida, and they're having some problems with the either butcher's twine or the jute twine, because it's just breaking under the weight of the tomatoes. So I'm using this just for this first one, and then I'm going to actually pick up like a polyester, and then I'll just have to make sure that I get that out of the area before I compost. So I'm going the back side, then the front side, the back side, then the front side, come around 3 times. and then head back. So it's going to be the back on this one, the front on this one, the back on this one, the front on this one, and then just tie it off. So, when I did the last one, there's these little grooves. I just make sure I'm inside that groove, and then I tie the knots. I just did, I think, 3 knots on the other side, so it shouldn't move or come untied. And then I just head back down the line. So, front side, back side, front side, back side, front side. And come back, back side. Front side, back side, front side, back side. And what will be nice to see, this will kind of be a little bit of an experiment to see how the cotton twine ends up working out here. I'm going to go ahead and get this other one done. So thanks for coming along and watching this process of the Florida weave. I appreciate it. If you guys want to see how it continues to go, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.